Shafton string light poles. What are they for? Well, I got a nice set of planter boxes I built, right? And I need to, during holiday seasons, maybe put up some string lights or decorate the area. So, the company has sent me this to share to you and show you how to install it and how to hook it up. So I got some LED lights that were given to me, and we're going to put them on the pole. You could put anything of LED lights on for yourself. So let's open it up and see what you get inside. A thank you card, a guide, and 6 poles. Now, it's not that hard to install. It's very simple to do. So we're going to do a little time lapse showing you the install. This is the base pole. This pole snaps into place. There's an Allen key that you use. Unscrew the screw until it locks into place and lock it down. Take the next pole and do the same. Loosen the pole, slide down, lock into place. Now one pole here you can see has got the end cap. The other pole here's got a screw and it unscrews. That's simple. It slides down and locks into place. The last pole does the same exact thing. You rest it, loosen up, slide down, lock it into place. Everything you need's in this little container, tucked in. You have screws, anchors, and kits, even the Allen key to hook up and now tighten. You're going to get 6 U-clamps and all the anchors and screws you need. Take the U or C-clip, we call these, place in your screw and place on your pole or wood, wherever you like. Then with a helping hand, what you want to do is get somebody to hold the pole while you lock this in. And set the rest of the screws in. Put the next pole down, lock it into place the same way you did the first one. Have somebody hold it for you. And then we go over with the Allen key and lock things up. Every Allen key bolt gets tightened down and locked. That's how simple it is. And the stuff is all set up, ready to go. Now this is an LED light kit that you're simply going to have to take your time and untwist it out, and we can hang it up on there. It is IP rated, but you want to be careful still to use a GFI outlet with outdoor products. What you can do here is simply just, be careful with AC, use a GFI outlet. We're looking at the poles and LED lights, and we have it on one mode. Switch it to the next mode, and it is very entertaining for nighttime in a patio, a yard, gazebo, around the fence, and all that good stuff.